Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the original pump house. This pump house has seen better days for sure. Right now it's extremely unsafe to be inside. As you can see in these clips, we have a lot of structural beams that are not even remotely touching the ground. So what's the plan, boss?
Well, we're gonna try to clean up all these boards, get all the nails out of it as much as we can. I'm gonna try squaring off what I can and salvaging what I can.
Okay.
Because a lot of this stuff, as you can see, it's broke and it's wormed up. Termites or something. I really don't know. It's probably old, really, really old.
You know, they make pencil sharpeners.
They do. It's called a knife.
No hospital visits today, okay?
Okay. when you think your day is over, another problem arises. We were sitting there working on the pump house and pipe busted over there. We ended up fixing that, and now we have another problem in the middle of the yard, and now we're out here in the dark fixing it.
After a long day, we finally got the water leaks fixed. The pump house is not done, but we made good progress. With every passing day, we are thankful for progress, big or small. Now the race is on to get it insulated and ready for winter.